Stefan? Okay.
Louis.
Louis. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got here. So the water came through here and everywhere. Huh?
You see?
So it's just everything's gone. So it's all gone through here, and that's where the sink was. I'm not quite sure what this area was. And the floor is just gone in here. Ceiling's exposed. We're walking into the kitchen next, which is, does this work or?
No, you see, no way.
No, it doesn't work. Okay.
No way.
And your refrigerator and freezer doesn't work.
He just wait.
And this looks like it's not good. So, this house is, it's in a lower area, so it took a lot more damage. And they've got water that's coming through the ceiling, up there and that way. Okay, yeah, so let me take a look in there. Yeah. And I mean, it's still damp and wet, as you can see from flooding that had come through here and damaged this house. There's mold in the walls. Were you in here during the storm? Yeah. What else do we have here? We got, yeah, you got damage everywhere. Oh my gosh. So it needs new ceilings, and you got water just coming through. Yeah. Water coming through everywhere.
You see flow, you see that? You see flow.
Right.
Flow platform.
Right. Just, yeah. Okay, well, this house needs a lot of help, and so we're going to do our best to get them some relief supplies. Super nice gentleman, and needs a new roof. Sustained a lot of damage. As you can see, the furniture's gone, and the siding's damaged, and roof's just not in great shape here. I'm gonna just keep walking around here. Here's the community that we're in. Electrical's been dropped down here, and then here's that there. Alright, well, I'm going to take some measurements and get a material list, and we'll go from there.